I think I've fucking missed it. I've literally just been looking up for about a minute for a fucking helicopter that was down there. I am not going up that today. I'm simply not, because it's fucking nearly 5 o'clock and I've got to get down the sketchy ass route and I haven't seen a person for ages. However, okay, I can hear another something. I'm guessing that's below me too. What a place to smoke a spliff. The biggest bird was just behind that rock. Yeah, there it is, it's another helicopter. I can't see it on screen, I hope you can see it. Have I got everything? Start moving. Hopefully I can keep this recording going, because I'm totally out of memory. Just needs a bit of shit to buy a memory card. But I ain't got time for that. I want to show you around the corner, to be honest. Oh, look at that mountain. Or hill, whatever the fuck you want to call it, just look at it. Ah, that one ahead, man, it's sexy. Where the helicopter's gone, you can still hear him. Ooh. Not a place to be sleeping, is it really? Could hear him, I can't see him for shit.